What's up guys, it's Angel from JamTCG here, and in today's video I'm going to be opening up this Battle Partners Japanese booster box, and I'm trying to see if I can get that Lillie card because right now it's going for around $400, and there's a lot of other cards from this set that are pretty expensive, and I recently bought like 18 of the booster boxes to sell, so I just figured I'd open one just to see like how it goes because I haven't opened any packs in a while. Usually I don't recommend opening packs, but it can be fun sometimes, so I just figured I'd give it a chance, see what I can get from this box. Also, if you guys want to see more pack opening videos, please let me know and I will make more in the future if you want, but if not, I'd probably just stick with this one. And this is my first time opening a Japanese booster box. I've only dealt with English products in my first like few years doing this, so this is the first time I've done this before. Before opening this box, I looked up the expected hits, and it seems like you can expect one art rare and then one, I think, special art rare from a box. I don't know if that's guaranteed or like a really good box will have an SAR, but I'm hoping to get at least one SAR from this box. And I think there's 30 packs in here. Each card has each pack has 5 cards. And I think there's not a guaranteed holo in each pack, so it's kind of like hit or miss big time with these. These packs go for around $4 on the market or $3 on the marketplace, and then I think the box is like $100. I paid around $70 for these in wholesale, so I'm expecting or hoping to get at least $70 back from these packs, which is pretty rare, and that's why I don't recommend opening packs for profit, because your chances of breaking even or making a profit on booster packs is pretty low. And it is fun, but just money wise, it's not the best idea. So let's get started with the first pack. I'm going to be opening it up. Always make sure to have your sleeves ready, because if you ever get a really expensive card, you don't want to be not having a sleeve and then you can risk getting it damaged. So make sure to always have that. I wasn't really sure how to open these up safely, but I just pushed it out from the back like that. The art on these cards is pretty sweet, especially for the commons and uncommons. Like, I was very surprised with how these cards looked. It's pretty weird opening packs with only 5 cards in them. I'm more used to having 10 cards in a pack, and it takes like longer to go through, but it's different. Ooh, this card is pretty sweet. I think I checked the price and it was like $7 at the time of opening it. I think it's one of the cheaper art rares, but that's fine with me. It was a pretty cool card. And of course, gotta sleeve them when you pack them. Comment down below if you guys like Japanese booster packs or English booster packs more. Also, I will be skipping if it's like a non-holo pack and like no hits, because I went through this pretty slow, so I don't want to bore you guys with like the non-hit packs. Also, I will be hosting a giveaway when I get to 1,000 subscribers for everyone that's been a subscriber from the start, because just to show like my appreciation and all for you guys. So stay tuned for that in the future. And this is a crazy card. This is the special illustration rare that I got from the pack, or special art rare. I think I sold it for like $50 after this video, and I think I listed it for too cheap because it sold after like 2 hours after listing. So kind of lost a little bit on that, but overall I am near breaking even because this was a $50 card, and then that card was $7, so not bad for 2 packs. I for sure understand like why people would say that Japanese quality is better than English. Just going through these packs and like going through the cards, there's a significant difference in the quality compared to the English cards and packs. Like you don't see a lot of factory errors or just quality control issues. So if your goal is to open cards and then or open packs and then grade them, I think Japanese might be the way to go, just because getting a 10 is so much more common. And especially if you're in the US and you can open packs and grade Japanese cards here, you can expect to make a lot of money doing that, because getting Japanese cards in America is a lot harder than getting English cards in America. And it's still possible, but it's just a lot harder. And this is the Iono Bellabolt. I think the special art rare for that one is like very expensive, and that's another hit from this pack or box. But the regular EX is like a $2 card. I can never tell when the hit is gonna come. I just like never expect it. And then this is the last pack. I didn't get any hits in between those. So let's see if there's a last pack luck. So it looks like there is a hit in there. It doesn't look like an art rare or anything, but let's see what it is. Lillie's Clefairy. That's a pretty cool card. I think it's like $2 or $3. Overall, I think I did decent with this box, considering I bought it for $70 and I got around $60 worth of hits and then some bulk on the side. So overall, I probably broke even with what it cost me, but I definitely could have made more if I just sold the box as is, because the box is selling for like $100 on eBay. So just if you want to open packs, I'd say go ahead, but if you want to make money from this side, I would not recommend opening packs to do that. But yeah, if you guys like this video, let me know. Let me know if you want to see more in the future, and I hope you all have a great day. See ya.